Oh my gosh, how have I managed to get my stone to 523 in the center? What?
What flame size should I use is one of the most asked questions I get. There are a few steps to get your pizza cooking right when using the Koda 12, and today we are covering lots of my favourite pizza oven cooking tips. So let's do it. I have debris on my stone, so I need to turn the debris to the back to burn it off while the oven heats up.
Okay, let's check the temperature of the stone. I just cleaned the stone. I turned it round. Oh, perfect. Just burns it off whilst your oven's heating up. I had accumulated a lot of debris. Oh my gosh, how have I managed to get my stone to 523 in the center? What? Ugh, how did I do that? Have to turn the oven off completely, and I think I'm gonna have to get a cast iron pan to take that all out. Let's do it. Get the pan in there to absorb the heat with the heat off. I've got the power off, no flames, just absorbing the heat through the pan. 60 seconds for about 60 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's check it now. Yay, it's gone down too much now, but look how fast it pulled the heat out, just to show you. There. So I'm going to put it back on again. So if you... Cast iron pans are brilliant for doing that. So I expect it'll shoot up again quite quickly now. I've put the heat back on. I never cook my pizza on full in the Koda 12. I have the flame dial at 3/4 to full. So between 1/2 and 3/4 on the dial. That's my favourite place with the Koda 12. So I'm just waiting for this just to go up a little bit, and then we should be ready to cook. Yep, there it goes. It does go up very fast, so you don't have to like keep going up and down, up and down. I don't even think I've got it on full right now. I've just got it on 3/4 because I don't want to change it again. It's all the way at the back and it's really difficult to move my dial. And it's still raining. But luckily I'm under the cover. I think that should be okay now. I think we're good to go. Yeah, let's do it. Let's give my out of shape, like it's gone out of shape. Oh well, it'll be sort of a round pizza today. As long as it's edible, we don't mind. So let's get this in. Got my peels ready, yep. It's the most important thing. Let's do it.
This is a real-time cook.
So dark in there. I can't see what's going on. Let's have a look. Yeah. Swapped peels. I like the big peel for the first turn, and then I like using the little peel for the second turn. Let's see how fast it cooks the crust in this little oven. In fact, I don't even know if I've got on too high. Feels like very strong heat in there. I think I've put it on too low actually, but doesn't matter. I'm not on a race. Just a bit more at the top. Let's have a good look what's going on here. It's gone slightly out of shape. Okay, let's check. So a slower cooked pizza equals, it should be a crunchy pizza. I think that's definitely happened here. Cooked everything nicely. I love using block mozzarella toppings. I think they work really well. And I think having a slower and lower flame cook doesn't overcook the pepperoni, which is really nice. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. And I will see you soon. Bye.